Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through the various tools available in Canva on your mobile device. So let us get started. First, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that suits your project needs. On the lower left corner, you will find the plus icon where you can access an array of powerful tools. Here's a quick rundown of what each tool does. Design. This is where you can explore templates and styles to enhance your project. Elements. Search for images, shapes, and more to add creative elements to your design. Text. Use this tool to add text to your project and customize fonts and styles. Camera roll. Access your device photos and videos to incorporate them into your design. Uploads. View and use the files you have previously uploaded to Canva. Draw. Get artistic and draw directly on your canvas. Projects. Switch between different projects you are working on. Apps. Access additional apps to create even more amazing designs. Videos. Search for and use videos in your project. On the lower right corner, you will find 4 boxes that offer additional options. Click on it to add, duplicate, delete, hide, select, and provide notes. Remember, the bulk create feature is available only on the desktop version. I hope this video helps you out to navigate Canva's mobile tools effectively. Stay tuned for more helpful tips in the next video.